Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about ChatGPT and its impact on the admissions process overall. So, there have been a lot of announcements coming in. For instance, the IB, International Baccalaureate, they have allowed students to use ChatGPT in their essays. As you know, in the IB board, you need to take 6 exams and write 3 essays. One is the theory of knowledge, the other is your CAS essay, and then there's an extended essay as well. So that's one move that has happened. In the past, we've also seen the New York public school system actually ban ChatGPT, and they're looking at going back to the pen and paper test system so that students cannot cheat. And we've also had a response from one of the Wharton professors that has recently incorporated ChatGPT within its academic policy and how students should try to integrate that while responding to assignments and class discussions. So there has been like a mixed response to ChatGPT. And in today's video, I wanted to focus more on its impact on the admissions process and how you can benefit from it, and at the same time be cautious of its downsides in the admission cycle. So let's jump right into it. In my opinion, ChatGPT is a great tool to overcome the writer's block. Simply because a lot of students get stuck at the stage of ideation and they don't know exactly what to work with or where to start their essays and what ideas to work on. So I think you can use ChatGPT effectively in generating ideas. So maybe you can type in top 10 essay ideas for whatever the Common App or something like that. So it'll generate a few examples and options for you to get your memory to sort of start jogging and reflecting on your own experiences. But when it comes to writing or incorporating those ideas into your essays, I would strongly urge you to do it in your own words. Take inspiration, but do not blindly copy and paste. There was actually a conference, the Harvard India conference, that was happening last month. And one of the panel discussions was on emerging technology and the future of tech in India's growth story. And a theme that came up in that conversation was the impact of ChatGPT. And one of the panel members actually shared that she was working on collaborating and putting together unique stories from the South Asian context and sort of uplifting the marginalized voices that had not received that platform before. And she said that ChatGPT did not help her. Why it did not help her is because those marginalized stories, those personal contexts were not there on the internet for ChatGPT to pick up, do a permutation combination, and put together an essay. It just didn't exist, so it didn't have the resource base to put those stories together. And that highlights a very critical point, which is that ChatGPT cannot highlight the unique situations that you've gone through because they are your own stories. At the same time, ChatGPT can give you like these general overarching themes that work well, or ideas that others have used to advance their own cause or story. So that can serve as a great starting point and as a good source of inspiration. And that's the message that I want to leave you with today, that use it to your advantage, but make sure that you actually acknowledge all your sources in your essay. So do not treat that as your work. Ensure that the right acknowledgement is given to the right sources, because that can lead to plagiarism, and you all know the importance of academic integrity in any piece of writing. So keep that in mind and use and leverage upcoming technology to your advantage. I hope this conversation has been useful to you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.